What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to the channel. We are back in the Airstream. It is an absolute disarray right now because we are getting ready for our season 2 coming up here in a few short weeks. But since we have some time, we're going to do a couple tweaks, some modifications, some well, hopefully they're going to be considered upgrades by the time we're done with it, but we'll see. So today we are going to install a Tushy. So what is a Tushy, you ask? Well, we saw this online. Apparently a bunch of RVers highly recommend using a bidet instead of endless amounts of toilet paper. It's supposed to be a little bit better for the environment and for the rig itself by not clogging your black water tank. In order to retrofit our current Airstream with the Tushy Bidet, we did have to manufacture this little piece right here, this little T connector. You can see we just used some PEX pipe. There's a split T right here. There is a male connection and a female connection. These are both 1/2-inch connections. Now, with that being said, the steel braided hose that came with the bidet is actually only 3/8. So we did have to swap that out. You can see here's the other end, 3/8 as well. We did swap that out for a different size. It's a 1/2-inch to a 3/8. So this will connect here, which will go to the bidet. This will connect to the existing toilet connection, and right here will be the inlet for the water source. So here it is, the moment of truth. Let's see what happens. All right, son, go ahead and turn it. Turn. All right. One more time, just for effect. All right, we got a bidet. Whoop, whoop. So there you go, a quick, simple, easy install for an instant upgrade. I think the Tushy, the model that we got, the classic model, it was around $150 on Amazon. But as you saw, it was pretty quick and easy to do, and hopefully will be a lot cleaner in the long run. So if you'll excuse me, some business to take care of. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And tune in next week, because I'm gonna tackle something different, something I know nothing about. We are going to install WeBoost. Should be an adventure. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more Netflix in our lives. So see you next time, guys.